Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Povrzz, man, and we back with another video, y'all. And today, look, it's been forever since I did a tutorial. I know, but we're doing another one. And today, instead of doing the Latina voice, last time I did a Latina voice trolling video, but today I'm gonna show you guys how I learned the mommy voice. Can I get a round of applause? Can I get a no round of applause? Okay, I see how it is. All right, so first things first, guys. I ain't even gonna do the bullshit. What you need is clownfish. You're gonna need this right here. You're gonna need clownfish right here, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it, bro. Fuck it, you know what I'm saying? So, all right. So what you guys are gonna need is clownfish right here. You're gonna need this UI pulled up, okay? You can see all like the little tweaks and stuff, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna show you guys how to get that. So what you're gonna want to do right now is you're gonna go to Google Chrome right here, and once you're in Google Chrome, what you want to do is you're gonna click the second one, the www.clownfishvoicechanger.net. This one right here, okay? You're gonna click this, and what you're gonna do is you know what I'm saying, give it a minute to load because my PC's buns. You know what I mean? You're gonna press download now, and it's gonna send you to the download page. Now here, from the download page, you're gonna see different options. I personally decided to use 64-bit with 64-bit VST. It's the best one. So you're gonna want to download this. You're gonna click download. So once it's done downloading, you're gonna open it and set up the voice changer. It's gonna run a little thing, you know what I'm saying, where it's just gonna load everything. Your audio is gonna cut out for like 2, maybe 3 seconds, and then it's gonna be back to normal. You just gotta wait for the whole setup. Then it's gonna say like finish. You're gonna click finish. Once it's done installing, then what you're gonna want to do, the first thing you want to do when you get this, click right here on your clownfish. Press setup. Go to integrations, okay? And then look for your mic, okay? I have multiple mics. The mic that you're using, the mic that you're currently using should be listed somewhere right here, okay? So I already have it installed on mine. It's gonna say install. Install it on your mic. That's how the voice changer is gonna be on your microphone. Now, once you got that step done, you're basically all set up. Now you're gonna go right here, click on clownfish. Oh yeah, and by the way, pin clownfish to your taskbar, always, so it's easy to access. So you can click it, press set voice changer, and now this menu should pop up. Now, in order to tell if you have clicked on like a certain voice or a certain like setting,
you just gotta like click on it and it should be blue. You know what I mean? It should have like
a little blue thing wrapped around it.
Yeah, so like there, you know what I'm saying? And this is how you clear your effects right here.
This is how you clear. And this right here, you could just kind of like mess with your mic. You know what I mean? Just kind of like mess with your mic and make it sound bad, make it sound good. You know what I mean? But yeah. So for step number 2, enable the sound thing where you can hear yourself. So I'm gonna show you guys that. What you're gonna do in your search bar is type sounds in your search bar. Just type in sounds. Then it's gonna say change system sounds and control panel. You're gonna want to click that. Now it's brought up this little menu right here to where it says playback, recording, sound communications. You're gonna go recording, and you're gonna scroll down until you find the mic. When you talk, it should have this going up. This is the mic that you're using. You're gonna double click on it, go to the listen tab, and press listen to this device. It should be checked. It's gonna be unchecked whenever you click on it, but whenever you click on it, it should be checked. Then you're gonna press apply. Remember that, apply, then okay. Now, you're gonna find yourself a little confused because now you're like, now I hear myself. What is this gonna do? Well, here's what it's gonna do, okay? You're gonna go to clownfish,
and boom, you can hear yourself. It sounds cool. Try it yourself. I know you're doing it. Try it yourself. Yeah, it sounds weird, huh? All right, now look. Now we're gonna cook. Now we're gonna get into the cooking stage.
Now, how to do the voice. Oh man, let me tell y'all something, man. It took me 8 years to do it with my actual voice. You know what I'm saying? But once I learned clownfish, bro, it was raps. You know what I'm saying? Now I don't have to stress my voice out anymore. You know what I mean? So press this custom pitch.
Right? You want to press custom pitch.
And normally it's going to be at like 0. So you're going to want to like listen to your own voice and do the girl voice with your own voice, or do like a feminine voice, like kind of like hi, how are you guys, or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, hi, how are you guys? How are you? How are you doing? Something like that. You know what I mean? and you're gonna like kind of play around, listen to your sound. I would say start at 190. Most people's voices starts at 190, and then be like, "Hi, how are you guys? How are you doing? Hi, how are you?" You know what I mean? You kind of have like a little voice going on. You know what I mean? But a lot of people would be like, a lot of people usually, I get a lot of cases where they be like, "How do you just sound like a girl?" Well, you just want to copy me, okay? Ready? Do this. "Hi, how are you?" Your turn. You try it. Go. Good job. All right. Now look, we're going to say another line. Ready? "Hi, how are you? My name is," your name. Your turn. Good job. See, there you go. And look, the more you practice on sounding more feminine, like not gay in a for those watching gay, I don't have a problem with y'all, but look, if you learn the voice of being feminine or gay, you will, trust me guys, you guys will succeed. So, and it's not even just about copying a gay voice. You really want to find your own voice. That's like what I would say. Find your own voice. Everyone has a different voice. So then once you get like that down, like the "Hey, hi, how are you?" and hi, all that stuff, you kind of just like play with your pitch. Now, for those who have a little bit of a deeper voice like mine, this was a starting point for me, 290. You could be like, "Hi, how are you? And hi, my name is Povrzz. I'm a YouTuber." You know what I mean? Kind of start at 290 and do the same thing, you know? And it's gonna take, guys, you're not gonna get this down in like a day. It's gonna take you about 3 days if you really, really want it. 3 days practicing. I mean, like going, "Hi guys, or be like, "Hi guys, how are you? Hi. Yeah, I do voice trolling." You know, it's gonna take you a couple of days to get good like that. But me, guys, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm at 395. That's just me. I'm at 395. I have a really deep voice, so I'll be like, "Hi guys, hi. How's it going? My name is Povrzz. I'm recording a tutorial to do the mommy voice right now, honestly. And really, yeah, so guys, that's how you do the voice, really. And another really smart way to do the voice is to kind of like turn it off sometimes. So be like, "Hi, how are you?" Or you can like also do this right here. Click a pin original voice. So therefore you can hear a real voice and the AI at the same time. Now you guys hear how like I hear the voice changer in my real voice? This is how I'm really talking. So the way I'm talking is a little bit zesty, but also with the voice changer is going to pick it up as a girl voice. And that's really like all I can really show you guys on that. That's the best way I can explain it for you guys, man. That is literally the best way I can explain it. So, next point. You guys are going to have to do it in front of people all the time. I can't tell you the countless of times people have came to me and be like, "Oh yeah, I want to learn the voice, but I'm so scared to do it in public. Oh, it's not good. It sounds bad." They're scared and they have bad confidence. Guys, confidence is key with the voice, okay? Y'all don't think I'm nervous every time I do a voice? Y'all don't think I'm nervous? Oh, I'm nervous every stream, every video, every person I talk to. But I know if I don't do it, I'm never going to progress. So the more you do it in front of people, the better you will get, even if it's bad. Like, I have clips that I can show you guys from like 2018, bro. The voice was bad. Like, it was terrible. I was like, "Hi, how are you? Hi, my name is at the time my name wasn't even Povrzz. My name was Trio. My name was Trio DF, okay? I was like, "Hi, my name is Trio DF. Hi, how are you?" I used to do that on Xbox, right? It was so bad. I don't know how anybody like fell for that, but it was like, you know what I'm saying? It was something. You gotta perform in front of people. Or even your friends, you know what I'm saying? Like, get their opinions. My friends at the time, they told me like, "Hey, this is what you need to work on." You know what I mean? And I did it and I got better. So if I can do it, you 1000% can. Okay? So just do it in front of people in Discord servers and games. Just, you don't even gotta do it all the time. Just bust it out randomly sometimes. Pause. Okay? Just be like, like one day if you're talking to like, "Yo, what's up guys?
You guys trying to like be my boyfriends or something? Like I'm trying to like have a threesome or something like that. I don't know.
Like just like do the voice randomly, you know what I mean? So now what you guys are going to do after you just perform in front of a lot of people is over time you're not even gonna notice it. Like you're still gonna hear yourself as bad, but other people are gonna be like you're good. You know what I mean? And it's really hard at first to like really learn, because like when you do it in front of people, you get really nervous. My best thing that helped me learn was like thinking of, if I don't do this, will I ever progress? You know what I mean? Or like I would always just go in games. I didn't even talk like a girl all the time at first. At first I was just doing it randomly. But now I'm at that point where I could just talk anytime I want to as a girl. You know what I mean? So just kind of just bust it out randomly. Now, another way is I'm gonna plug myself up, you know what I'm saying? Go to the Discord in the description below. You guys will learn the girl voice by me personally if you just join and be like, hey, can you teach me how to do it? I need help with something. If you're stuck with something, just DM me on Discord. My Discord username is @3rs9. That is my Discord inside of the Discord server. So make sure you guys go in the link in the description, click that, join. I'm gonna be there. You know what I'm saying? Just at me or look in the side list and just, DM me, right? Now, in that server, I'm gonna be hosting like tutorial calls, or like trolling with I'm trolling with you guys, you know what I mean? I want to troll with you guys, or we can play games and stuff, you know what I mean? We can play some Fortnite, we can play some Call of Duty, you know what I'm saying? We can play Valorant. I just downloaded Valorant, so like anybody that's good at Valorant, teach me how to play, bro. I don't know how to play the game, so you know what I'm saying? I need somebody that can teach me for real. But by the time I post this video, I'm probably still gonna be trash, but I'm gonna know at least something, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. I'm probably not gonna add that much editing, so that way you guys can really see the raw version on how to do it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's been Povrzz. See you guys in the next one, man.